Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and I want to show you how I do my laminated brows look. This brow style is gonna give you that feathered model brows look that looks very natural, but unlike sa mga brow soaps and brow gels, this is gonna last longer because what I'll be using to feather out my brows is a lash adhesive. Tatlo lang yung products na kailangan nyo to achieve this very simple look. All you need ay lash glue, face mist, or any skincare products to prep your face, and a very thin pencil na merong spoolie. And the one that I can best recommend is from Detail Cosmetics, yung super fine liner nila. When doing this look, I like to prep my skin first, and kapag nagpo-procrastinate ako, I only use a face mist para madali na. The face mist that I have here is from Lipinas, and what's nice about this mist is hindi lang siya for the skin, but it will also prep your brows. Next is I got my lash glue. This lash glue is Marie Beauty. Mabibili ito sa Shopee and napakamura lang ng product na to because it's only for around 72 pesos. So what I like to do is ina-apply ko lang yung lash glue sa spoolie and then I let it sit for about 10 to 15 seconds because gusto ko yung glue ko is a little bit dry na. Not too dry and not too wet. Para when I apply it on my brows, medyo matigas na siya at hindi na gagalaw yung brows ko. Make sure when you're combing through your brow hair, give it a little bit of heavy pressure para ma-press on talaga yung brow hair onto your skin. That will give your brows that laminated effect. Guys, napaka-safe ng lash glue because if you can use it on your eye area, you can absolutely use it on your brows. Hindi makakalbo yung brows niyo when you use lash glue. It's pretty safe and I really do highly recommend it. So, as you can see, parang medyo tumatayo pa yung brow hairs ko. And we don't want that because nagmumukha siyang wild brows. And yung brows na na-achieve natin is a feathered looking brows, yet still groomed and tamed at the same time. So what I'm doing is I'm combing through the upper brow line with the intention of shaping it the way I want my brows to look. And finally, I'm filling in the bald spots na meron ako sa kilay ko. What I like to do is I apply hair-like strokes with Detail Cosmetics super fine liner na eyebrow pencil. I highly recommend this product because it can achieve that hair-like strokes. Although hindi siya as fine as eyebrow markers, but for an eyebrow pencil, it can do the job. And that's it, you guys. As you can see, napakadali lang ng process and the products na ginamit ko ay napakasimple lang talaga. But this is gonna last you the whole day because yung products na ginamit natin ay heavy duty, lalo na yung lash glue. If you find this video helpful, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Make sure to turn on that bell button para notified kayo whenever I have a new video. Thank you so much and see you on the next one. Bye!